Hello, let me show you all camera features and settings that you can find on the iPhone 17. So we are starting from the photo mode, and when you actually click on the photo mode and then tap on it one more time, you can open settings. So we can find the flashlight, we can find live photos, camera timer from 3 to 10 seconds. There's also option to adjust exposure manually, styles, so that's basically filters that will change temperature and color on your photos. We can change aspect ratio. We got night mode. And by clicking on the left upper corner, we can find resolution, so we can switch from 24 megapixel to 48. There's also the macro mode, this flower icon. This is the macro mode. We can find ultra wide lens, wide lens, and the telephoto lens over here. And by going to the video mode, we can actually find next settings like action mode, exposure, and the flashlight. Here we can change resolution from HD to 4K, and we can even record 4K in the 60 frames per second. But the good point of this one, that we are able to switch lenses during video recording, and we can even take the photos while recording. There's also macro mode for video mode. Next we got the cinematic mode that looks just like that, with another settings option to record 4K, but now only in the 30 frames per second, not 60 like with the normal video. Here we can find slow motion with HD resolution, 120 frames and 240 frames per second. That's the time lapse, and option to adjust exposure. Now by going to the right side, we got the portrait mode, where we can change that light mode. There we go. By clicking on the portrait mode, we can find another options with aperture, with intensity of the background. Now we got the spatial mode. So we got exposure and other options, and there is the panorama mode. And that's actually everything for the settings that you can find in the camera. There's also a lot of options when you go to the settings on our iPhone. So we'll have to go for the camera. And here we can find the camera control button that is located just over here on the right bottom corner of the frame on this device. So we can actually set it up. We can actually use this for functions like camera adjustment. So we can lightly press or swipe camera control to display options and make adjustments. We can lock focus and exposure. We can find option to required screen on to launch the camera. And we can also link camera to this button to quickly open it. We can find all of those photographic styles that I just showed you over here. We can just simply adjust them. There's option to change slow motion mode or cinematic. I just show you this one. There's option for different record sound in the camera, the spatial audio, stereo, mono. We got white noise reduction. We can allow audio playback. We got option to use volume up for burst shot. We can find some formats of the camera capture, the resolution control, the photo mode that we can switch from 24 to 12 megapixel. Option to scan QR codes. We can show detected text. We got all of those compositions with grid, level, selfie mirroring, view outside the frame, some indicators, portraits in the photo mode, prioritize faster shooting, lens correction, macro control button, lens cleaning hints, and save capture. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.